Welcome, today in front of me TCL NxtPaper 10s, and I'll show you how to enable or disable Google Feeds on this device. So now when we swipe with the finger to the right side, we can see that the Google Discover is activated. And if you want to turn off this feature, we should hold for a while our device screen, and after that tap here to the home settings. Then we'll see here the Google Feed switcher. Just to turn it off, click here on the ones on the switcher, and now we can see here that the Google Feed is turned off successfully. If you want to turn it on, just again hold for a while the screen, click to the home settings and tap once on the switcher to activate it. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.